Hello everyone, let's have a look at another activity. Here we require some colorful sheets of the paper. We are making use of the white ones. You can use any other color. After that, with the help of the double-sided tape, we are just pasting them together in the circular shape. Now we are going to just add the ears from the both sides, and we are creating the eyes. This is so cute and easy. You just need a sheet of paper, then you just have to fold it, and you just have to make the body of the fish and just trim it and add the further features like the eyes. And we are creating the illusion of the fins and the scales. This activity is very easy. For the scales, we are making use of the earbuds. These will represent the patterns as shown in this video. This is so simple. Next, we are going to trace down a pig. For this, we are making the circular impressions with the help of the compass. You can use some circular object. Also, I have here used the tape that was empty, and then you just have to add the further details like we are doing here. These will represent the nose, legs, ears of the pig. Then add the eyes at the last. This is so cute, isn't it? So you can add further details with the help of the sketch pen like the eyelashes and the whiskers. Dragonflies are the flies that are just flying here and there. You may require the ice cream sticks for this one. Just carefully trim it according to shape shown here. Let's have another activity. For this, we are taking this yellow sheet of the paper and see how we are just turning and folding it, and we are going to make a board out of it. But this isn't the simple board, but it's the animated one. And see how we are making some of the oats. This one is so cool and easy, best for the kids between the age group of 8 to 9. Just go for this one. You may require some of the colors and the scissors. Thank you for watching.